Now, even though the U.S. credit crunch has affected property values stateside, it appears the Canadian housing market hasn't been affected as much. In fact, the U.S. slowdown and a high Canadian dollar is bringing some investment opportunities. We give you an inside look now at what property investments are hot in Canada and which international locales may be worth pursuing as well.
The Canadian dollar is strong as of late, and the American economy is currently in a downward state. Our country is experiencing growth in sales activity, and one of those areas is in real estate. Bob Dhillon, CEO of Mainstreet Equity, sees incredible opportunity in our economy.
I'm a big believer of Canadian real estate. I'm a big believer of multifamily real estate, and I think any small to a big investor can tap into this market, and the number one driver is it trades below replacement cost.
What area of the country does Dhillon believe shows the greatest potential? He's betting on Saskatchewan, a province that has been getting quite a bit of attention these days.
Second richest province in Canada in terms of commodity. The uranium prices have shot up. Potash prices have shot up. They got lots of natural gas, crude oil, and it's been beaten up for years. And the new right-wing government that's in place is going to put the right policies in place, and I think Saskatchewan's going to go.
But Saskatchewan's westward neighbor cannot be overlooked, says Dhillon.
Alberta's got approximately $220 billion worth of investment coming in 2008. So where in the world do you have this kind of a significant capital investment coming? So there's been a lot of negative publicity about Alberta. I'm a big believer of Alberta. I think Alberta is going to continue to grow in times to come.
As for our southern neighbors, the United States economy has been hit hard, but Dhillon believes the market will bounce back. However, with the high Canadian dollar and low U.S. interest rates and foreclosures, there is opportunity now depending on what you are looking for.
If you've got $1 million, I'd go to Saskatchewan. If you've got $10 million, I'd go investigate one of the hard-hit real estate markets on the Sun Belt, Vegas, Phoenix, Florida, and look for foreclosure opportunities in those markets. I don't think it's a bottom yet, but I think in like 6 months' time, I would be aggressively looking.
If you are looking for a more exotic investment, Dhillon sees great potential in Belize.
Where in the world are you going to get the prices you get in Belize that you get today? And I think in 5 years from now, that opportunity is going to disappear. No different than the opportunities are going to disappear in Saskatchewan 5 years from now. And it's the guys who are going to execute and take action are the ones who are going to benefit.
Property investment in Canada is still your best bet, says Dhillon, referring to our nation as the Northern Tiger not yet seen.
Eventually, the world's going to find out that we are the richest, nicest, the best laws, best mortgage laws and foreign ownership laws in the world. And when the world finds out that Canada is the best place to invest, that's when you're going to really see the boom in the Canadian real estate market.
And within the boom, Dhillon sees major opportunities in multifamily unit investing.
One, it trades below replacement cost. Two, it's got cheaper financing than commercial real estate. What I mean by that is you get Canadian Mortgage Housing Corporation that insures the lenders, and which in turn the borrower gets lower interest rate than other commercial real estate. And you get leverage as high as 85% from Canadian Mortgage Housing Corporation.
Chad Carrier, Energy TV.
A great resource for investors is CMHC, or Canada Mortgage and Housing Corporation, which provides data, forecasting, and access to analysts.